Who doesn't like arts and craft? Well, today I'm doing my own gift tags. I haven't done this in so many years, but let me tell you, I'm having so much fun. I'm using tacky glue or this multi-purpose glue. You can use white glue as well, it will work. I just find that using something a little stronger makes it easier. And all these little things you can see over here are little findings I got at the dollar store. I think I've had them for a couple of years, and I could go buy gift tags. They're very inexpensive, but I just think that taking your old Christmas cards and cutting them up and making your own gift tags is just so much fun. So I'm doing my own. I'm just showing you kind of how I do them. It's just 2 days before Christmas, and I already did all my gifts, and I will add my own personal touch gift cards to them. It's just so unique to do this, right? See, I just kind of set them out before I do them, so I have an idea where I want to put anything. I'm gonna post the full video to my YouTube channel just for the people that want to go look at it, sorry. And but it is so much fun, so much fun, as you can see. Pretty much the glue, and I use a hole punch, just a cheap one I've had for a long time, to do the holes. And I use yarn. You can use like thread or some kind of string if you don't have yarn, any kind of string you have in your house. But I had leftover yarn. Of course, I knit and crochet, I should have yarn, and I have gold here. And apart from that, just the findings, as I said, you can kind of see them here. And a scissors you will need, 1 or 2. I have 2, and that's it. And just the glue. And some of these, because of how I cut them, I don't really need to put nothing on them, right? How I cut the Christmas card, like this one is so bright, I don't really need to do nothing with these ones. And look at this. This is just words that was in the Christmas card. I cut out that one, and that one can go like that as well. And this one too can just go like that. This one I did with just a little, it had a this is from Princess Margaret with the dove, and I just add that to it. These are just old cards that I had lying around in my Christmas box that I decided I'm just gonna make these nice cards with. So easy. You just kind of glue them. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be fancy. You just kind of do your own thing and make them uniquely you. I'm having too much fun doing this right now. Just something to pass a Saturday afternoon or Sunday afternoon or Monday afternoon, whatever day you choose to do it, right? Christmas is only a couple days away, and you're inside and want something to do. This is just giving me a break from my knitting and crochet. I kind of finish all my gifts and just getting ready for Boxing Day, and this is what it's like. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.